Hi, I'm Sohrab Esfehani and I'm a senior visual effects artist with more than 20 years of experience in the industry. I've worked on prominent films such as The Avengers, Guardians of Galaxy, X-Men, The Jungle Book, and so on and so forth. I've done everything in assets department, for example, model, texture, groom, and look dev. I've also worked on lighting and supervision. In this particular workshop, I'm going to focus on texture and look dev on a highly realistic fantasy creature. We're going to start our journey in Mari, do a pass on texturing the skin, and then we'll take that into Houdini, do a pass on look deving the skin with Arnold, and then we'll work on the fur using advanced techniques such as probability shading. I'll explain that in detail. And then from there, we'll do a pass on dirt scatter and finalize the character. I hope you enjoyed this workshop and learned something from it. And if you do end up watching it and creating something, I'd be very keen to see it. So please feel free to drop me a line. With that said, let's get started with the workshop.